This is Roger Struckoff with Syscon TV, and we are at Cloud Expo East in New York in the year 2015, and right now we're joined by Ian Khan. Now, I haven't mentioned the company name because the last time we talked, in November at Cloud Expo West, you spoke on behalf of Solgenia. And Solgenia is still here, but you, under that umbrella, as I understand it, you have a new division or enterprise. It's reflected on your shirt as POWA. So tell us a little bit about it, the name and how long you've been doing this. And it says cloud monetization, but tell us what that's all about.
All right.
Welcome, by the way.
Thank you very much, Roger. It's a pleasure to be here again, and having a conversation about 6 months later from our last conversation. Solgenia is still where we were, and we've made a lot of improvement in the last few months. We have an entirely new division called the Cloud Monetization Division, based on our platform POWA, which really empowers enterprises and organizations to take the journey on cloud monetization and to really make it a reality. POWA as a platform is able to take your solution or software, your infrastructure, or your platforms and convert them into an as-a-service model. So now you're looking at moving away from the perpetual licensing models that traditionally have been fueling the industry, and now you're talking about recurring revenue models for solutions, infrastructure, and platforms, which changes the entire game because now you're generating revenue month on month, day on day, based on your user base.
And what sort of business would this appeal to? Who are your customers going to be, or who are your customers for this?
So our customers range in a couple of different scenarios. It's solution vendors who want to convert their existing solutions into a cloud offering. So that's a perfect fit for the SaaS offering. It could also be data centers, as an example, who want to convert their products and their solutions and their offerings into a recurring model as well. So again, infrastructure providers are a great customer base for us. Vendors of solutions, software solutions are a great customer base for us. And having said that, even enterprises are a good customer because enterprises today have a need to enable an enterprise catalog within their organization. So companies that have 5,000, 10,000, 50,000 employees have a huge need to provision services and solutions to their employees when there's a turnover, when there's new teams in place, and that's where the core of our business lies.
Are you looking at things that are sort of untapped assets, or just because of going on with cloud computing, it's just a different way of looking at what they have? If you could kind of explain the monetization, exactly what you mean by that and how it works.
Okay, so POWA is able to break down the entire monetization process into a few different blocks. And that starts off by the first process, which is provisioning of the services or products that you want to offer to your customer base. And this could mean identifying the parameters that you want to be able to charge your customers on. Is it the bandwidth you're going to charge your customers for? Is it the disk space? Is it the processor time? Is it the amount of data they're exchanging between a few different systems? So you've got to figure out what is it that you're going to charge your customers for, and we'll help you connect that with the next system, which is metering the usage of that parameter. How much did they use? And we do that in real time using POWA. So you're able to tell at any instant in time, this is the amount of usage, and the third step being converting that into a bill. So what POWA does is, again, convert all these different parameters into a single model of currency and offer that to the customer as a bill. So provisioning, metering, and billing is all embedded and including within POWA, and it also includes an e-store or an enterprise catalog where your end users can go and provision those services. So as an offering, it's a complete offering to do all the aspects that you need in cloud monetization as of today.
And then if we can look up a little bit, the Solgenia umbrella, if you could explain the other divisions, what the company's still doing, what it was doing, and explain what else the company's up to.
Okay, great. So we've made again great progress in the last few months. We now have a cloud monetization division called Power, which is essentially across the globe in Europe and North America. It's showing really good traction. We have a business productivity suite based on genialcloud.com. It's our SaaS offering for small, medium, and large enterprises, and we're offering them a suite to make their business operations more efficient. And our third division, which we've just launched, is called Privado Cloud. It is private hosted cloud, and it offers the infrastructure as a service component, which is again based on the Power platform. It's powered by Power, and that kind of helps us take care of the infrastructure piece as well in-house. So as of right now, we can offer a complete set of services to our customers, ranging from converting their solutions into a SaaS model, to hosting it, to monetizing it, and everything in between.
A lot of progress in just about 6 months since we last talked. That's great. The company's Powua.com, Powua.com. This is Ian Khan. It's good to catch up with you. We'll see what's going on, and we'll probably talk again soon and see what other tricks you have. This is great progress. It kind of shows what goes on with cloud computing, how much change there is, and you react to it, and you take advantage of opportunities and offer opportunities to your customers. I think that's the key thing. So thank you for joining us, Ian.
You're very welcome.
Thank you for watching. For Syscon TV, this is Roger Struckhoff.